My name is Peter Gao, but everybody calls me Uncle Peter. I am 66 years old and I live in Quezon City, and I have a 2019 Jimny Sierra. So even before the local release ng Jimny, we had news na from Suzuki Japan that they're going to release this retro Jimny. So excited na kami. And then during 2018 Tokyo Auto Saloon, my son and I were able to attend it, and doon nakita namin yung actual unit. So from then on, talagang love at first sight na, yun. And would you believe, during the Tokyo Auto Saloon, na knowing that wala pang release ng Jimny for the Philippine market, nag-order na kami ng mags para dyan. Memorable, most memorable, I think it was during the first Jimny Fest. At that time, humiram lang kami ng tent, naghalungkat ako ng mga lumang cooking sets ko, ganyan lang. Oo. Actually, my son has a YouTube channel, nandun din, nakadocument doon. So makikita nyo doon, itsura nung Jimny ko, what you might say na stock pa siya. Actually, yung Jimny is my daily car, no? So, different cars have different feels when you drive it, eh. It might be the most comfortable car. It's also not the fastest. Pero ito yung daily ko kasi mabilis mag-maneuver around traffic, eh. Metro Manila traffic. And it's also easy to park. And also, pag dala mo Jimny, ang daming nakatingin sa'yo. Maski na whether it's all modded out or stock, basta Jimny, ang daming tumitingin. Oo, I-turner siya. It might not be the coolest, no, but it's the rarest. I know for a fact that I'm the only one that has it in the Philippines, which is fender liners, and they came from Russia. And believe me or not, it is from Suzuki, Russia. So it's talagang siya, parang OEM equipment, OEM part. Siguro I'll start first dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Because nakikita ko yung there are other overlanding groups that do the Philippine Loop, Northern Loop, Southern Loop. Parang gusto ko sumama dyan na dala ko ito. Yun. That's one of my, you might say, bucket list. Siguro sa Japan. Parang I want to let them see na how we Filipinos can mod the Jimny name. Because actually, iba rin ang style ng pag-mod nila ng mga Jimnys, eh. Diba? And I want to, I'm sure na I can learn things from them din. Kasi it has been a dream of mine to own a 4x4 car. Diba? And during that time, ang Jimny affordable, eh. Diba? Compared to other 4x4 cars na, the prices. So, kumbaga, ito parang stepping stone ko. Diba? And also, yung mga things that you can do with the Jimny are relatively cheaper than what you would spend with other 4x4 cars. Please give us a 5-speed transmission. And so also maybe bigger engine or maybe even a hybrid model. Sigurado yan. Mabebenta yan.